Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest SMARTTUBENEXT app on your Amazon Fire Stick in 2025. This is the quick and easy method, and I promise, if you follow every step carefully, your installation will be done in just a few minutes. So, let's get started. First, grab your Fire Stick remote and go to the home screen. Now move to the Find section and open the search bar. Here, type Downloader. You'll see the orange Downloader app icon. Go ahead and install it. This app is important because we'll use it to download SMARTTUBENEXT. Once Downloader is installed, open it. The app will ask for permission, so simply click Allow. Now, before we enter the URL, we need to enable installation from unknown sources. So press the Home button on your remote, go to Settings, scroll to My Fire TV, then select Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, enable Apps from Unknown Sources for the Downloader app. Perfect. Now open Downloader again, and in the URL box, type the link 79015 I provided in the description or comments. This link will directly take you to the SMARTTUBENEXT download page. After typing the link, press Go. Your SMARTTUBENEXT APK will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, the installation window will appear. Click Install. Wait a few seconds, and that's it. SMARTTUBENEXT is now installed on your Fire Stick. Click Open to launch the app. Inside the app, you'll notice a clean, ad-free interface with ultra-smooth navigation. You can sign in with your YouTube account, adjust video playback quality, enable sponsor block, and customize settings according to your preference. Everything works super fast and without ads, which makes your streaming experience so much better. If you want the app to stay updated automatically, go to the settings inside SMARTTUBENEXT and enable Auto Update. This keeps you on the latest version every time. So that's how easy it is to install SMARTTUBENEXT on your Fire Stick in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Fire Stick and Android TV tips. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss future updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.